Okay, so for our next question, we are looking for the integral of sine squared x cos squared x all over dx. So initially we're going to use the double angle formula stated here of sine 2x is going to be equal to 2 sine x cos of x, which means that sine x cos of x is equal to sine 2x over 2. And that means that sine squared x cos squared x is equal to sine squared 2x over 4. And then furthermore, we're going to get rid of this. So just so that you are still following, we're going to put this into our question. So sine squared x cos squared x dx is going to be equal to the integral of sine squared 2x over 4 dx, because we found that these two are equal. And then we're going to simplify this further by getting rid of the sine squared 2x, and we're going to be using the formula that sine squared of x is equal to a half 1 minus cos 2x. And so this means that sine squared of 2x is equal to 1 over 2, 1 minus cos of 4x. And so again, put that right back in. And so we will get the integral of 1 over 2, 1 minus cos 4x over 4 dx. And then it will be easier to find this integral than the first one. And so we just proceed. We can go ahead and pull out 1 over 2 over 4 is going to be 1 over 8. That becomes 1 over 8, the integral of 1 minus cos 4x dx. And then next up, we can separate these two as we did in the earlier question. So it becomes 1 over 8 into the integral of 1 dx minus the integral of cos 4x dx. And then similar to last time, we know that this is going to be equal to x, and we are going to use substitution for this one. We are going to set u as 4x, which means du over dx is going to be 4, which means dx is equal to d over 4. That means that the integral of cos 4x dx is going to be the integral of cos u du over 4. We can pull out the 1 over 4, and it becomes the integral of cos u du. And that is going to give us 1 over 4 multiplied by sine u. So 1 over 4 sine 4x. Put that all back into this formula we have. And so it becomes 1 over 8 multiplied by x minus sine 4x all over 4. And so if you want to write that out, we can write that as 4x minus sine 4x over 4 all over 8. And that can finally be rewritten as 4x minus sine 4x all over 4 by 8 is going to give us 32. And then again, let's not forget about the open bounds on the initial question up here. which means that we need to add a plus c. And that is going to be our final answer for this question. So you need to be careful when you're pulling out all of these fractions. It's best if you pull them out of the integral before you do anything with it. That way you don't forget about it as what has happened here in the solution.